lemon, garlic, shrimp with a little oregano and parsley.
I didn't that one.
And you know, I didn't know this until this morning. You actually love to cook.
I love cooking, yeah.
I'm gonna throw our shrimp into this pan. What I did was I zested a lemon, guys. And then I took the lemon that I zested and thinly sliced it and threw it in a pan just with olive oil, of which there's no shortage in Greece, right?
Right.
And a little salt and pepper. And you let that cook up, and I throw in one of the sliced lemons so it caramelizes and turns this pretty color. And then we let and then we let the shrimp cook a little bit till it's nice and firm, and then we add the garlic so that the garlic doesn't singe. Douse the pan with white wine. So this is so simple. I didn't realize that you love to cook, but now I get it. I'm like, Lindsay wants to cook, really?
I was begging everyone to try and get me on the show. And my grandmother loves you so much.
We'll make room for you anytime, hon. No problem. Okay, so lemon juice, little or a lot?
A lot.
A lot, right? Yeah, me too. So good and good for you. Run your hand through it. She's such a... I'm so impressed. She's so
Italian
comfortable
Irish.
in the
What do you
kitchen.
expect? I'm from Long Island.
Yeah, throw it right in there. Throw it right in there. Excellente. Nicely done.
Looks pretty too.
Nicely done.